Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur. Check it out, 2025 Grand Design Reflection 360 FLS. So let me back up. We've got two slides on this side, two doors. I'll show you the back door or the secondary door in a second. I do want to show you just the number of slides we have here, and I'll show you the storage in that rear slide. But we got three slides on the off-camp side, two slides on the camp side, plenty of slides, plenty of storage, and a very nice interior. I'll show you the pass-through storage. Plenty of storage, as you can see. Nice and clean. I like that decking. It's easy to slide items in and out. Here you can see the 360 FLS badging. So again, two slides on the camp side. And we have a front living room and a kitchen and then a rear bed. And that door, I'll show you on the inside. Nice setup. The door goes right into the restroom. So if you are entertaining or have little ones, they are able to get in and out of the restroom very easily without going all the way through your trailer. Nice storage here. They have the electric hook cable here, and then the docking station up there. Let's get inside, get out of the wind, and I'll show you this gorgeous interior. So again, a second door, and that goes into the restroom. I'll show you that in a moment. And then we have a front living. So let's go on in. Very nice. So here is your master power control. We also have a planning station, cabinets, drawers, televator, as you can see here. So nice flat screen TV, and then very nice couches. I do want to show you this one. So you have your cup holders, your USB setup. You have ducted HVAC, nice size flat screen TV, as well as the fireplace, and then the JBL stereo. I do want to show you the kitchen from up here at this vantage point. So you have a center island, you have a pantry, again, the planning station, refrigerator, freezer, very nice size oven, 3-burner cooktop, very large. And then love the lighting here on the center island, drying rack, stainless steel. And then this is set up, it's winterized, but you can pull that and spray out. I did mention the pantry, but check this out. Open the door and LED lighting. Magazine rack here against the wall. And you can see your dining area. We also have storage under the bench. And then two very nice chairs. We'll go down the hallway. Here's that secondary door I was telling you about, and it leads right into the bathroom. And very nice bathroom. We have cabinets. I'll just go ahead and show you. So we have a very large cabinet here, towel bar, cabinets and drawers below, cabinet, medicine cabinet, as well as cubbies for your toiletries. That way you can set them in there, set it and forget it. And then check this out, the master bedroom. Very nice size bedroom. We'll lift up, so we have plenty of storage, as you can see. Cabinets above, two drawers, and a large cabinet. While I open the cabinets, I'll show you this upper storage. And then you can tell that this is set up for a washer dryer should you need it. So if you're a weekender, you don't really need a washer dryer. If you are traveling for an extended period of time, you may want to get the washer and dryer. As I rotate around, check it out. Cabinet on left and right, TV in the center, a bank of 6 drawers plus 2 cubbies, USB setup, USB and USB-C, and then very nice size cabinet with a bar in there to hang up your clothing, HVAC, as well as the ducted that I mentioned earlier. We'll head back down the hallway. So very, very nice setup. Love to hear your feedback. I hope this one brings a smile to your face. It certainly brings a smile to my face. Very nice fifth wheel, and I enjoyed bringing it to you. Thanks again. enjoy this next video.